Joyne from Takeoffs.io. In this video, I just want to show you how our roof pitch feature works. So what I've got here is I've measured my roof area, but I need to convert that into to allow for the roof pitch. So rather than measuring that and then going to find a roof pitch table or a multiplication table, we can go into our settings wheel, and you'll see here there is a section here for roof pitch. I can go in and chuck in my roof pitch right there. Although that is 20 degrees, because I can see here on the elevation that it's a 20-degree roof pitch. And straight away that is gone from a area measurement for flat surfaces now to calculate the roof pitch automatically, and it turns that into a pitched roof area measurement. That's the roof pitch feature. I think you'll find it super helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.